Are you tired of complicated smart litter boxes?
Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. Today I'm checking out the PetPivot AutoScooper 12. This is an automatic cat litter cleaner. You don't need to worry about an app, any complicated setup like that. So this makes it pretty easy. Little container here for the litter. We have our little legs that snap in the bottom. Want to check it out, Boogie? Yeah, this is for you. What are you doing? What are you doing? And then this should just kind of lift out of here. Put the legs on there. So check that out. We got the little auto scooper thing. Yeah, what's going on, bud? These just go in there like, just push in there. Pretty cool. We have an unlock thing here on the sides. Take that out if we need to clean it. Wipe clean, don't wash. Okay, yep, buddy. Press that in there. Just like this. We have this little thing here too if you want for the cat. So you can put this little step on there. Just like that. If they need help climbing in there. Okay, we add the cat litter and just hit this button to level it. Here's your new litter box, Boog. What are you thinking about it? It looks like he's checking it out there. What do you think, Boog?
This whole cleaning process takes about 10 minutes. Once they have used the facilities, it'll kind of go back and forth a little bit to settle it, and then it will dump it once it is kind of like made sure it's not sticking or anything like that. So it takes a little bit, so just be patient. It's not broken.
There's the dump.
This wasted almost no litter at all. I've used some other cat litter boxes that would dump quite a bit of extra litter. This did an amazing job of sorting it out correctly and leveling off nicely.
All right, well, I did a pretty good job there, I'd have to say. And when that's done, just pull this out. We got this little step there for the cats if you need, and like plenty of good space there. Got that out of there nicely. Just locks in there. Put the cat step in there if they need it. Probably most cats would just jump in there with a little step. Yeah, let's test out some sensors here, shall we? Okay, this starts dumping, and then see a little bit of weight. I just put barely any pressure on there and it stopped automatically. So we have these little sensors right here too. These, if the cat's there, it's not gonna close on them. You move your hand and it starts moving again. So the motion sensor there, you see it stops instantly. That's good. Now if we wanna clean it, it just has these little unlock things on the side. Just unlock that. Take that off. This just pulls out. We can wipe down our sensors there if we need to. Dump out our litter, pull this out, and we can wash it. We can wipe it down. It's got pretty basic instructions, and not complicated. So you got your power button. You can hold that down to go to manual cleaning or just auto cleaning. So if you just want it for about 5 seconds, and then it'll, if you hold it down for 5 seconds, or it'll switch to manual mode or back to like auto mode. So you can just have it when the cat's done, it'll clean automatically, or you can just hit the clean button. So it's the level button here, and this is the clean button. So if the cats do go in there, you can hit that if you want on manual mode, or you can just set it to auto mode. So very simple, it's quiet, it's easy to use. It does a good job, easy to clean. Pull this out, it's lightweight. So I reviewed quite a few cat litter boxes. All of them had apps. and it was kind of a learning curve to figure out how to use them. It took a little bit of time to do that. So some people don't have a lot of time. Maybe they're not tech friendly, but they still want the ease. Elderly people want the ease of like, you don't have to clean up a litter box or anything. It's going to do that by itself, but then maybe not have the technical savvy to manage an app and all that stuff. This is just, it's really easy to work with. Sensors seem to work decently on here, the little weight sensors and things like that. The motion sensors on there as well. Yeah, like I said, small, lightweight, compact, easy to use. To clean this too, you just pull this little tray out, rinse it out. If you want to use like a little warm soapy water, then let it dry out. Seems pretty straightforward, nothing complicated. Like some of these I've reviewed before. Litter boxes took me quite a while to figure out how to set them up, do the app, connect it to the router, the Wi-Fi, all that stuff. But with this, it was fairly simple. Just pop it out of the box, and within a few minutes, we're ready to go. So I like that about it. I like that comes in different colors, easy to clean off here too. Nothing complicated here. Does a good job too. Didn't waste any litter, so that was nice. It pretty much just got only the waste there out of there, so I like that. And doesn't seem like anything was sticking to the pad either. So on all my friends, if you guys are looking for a nice little cat litter, automatic cat litter cleaner, the PetPivot AutoScooper seems to do a really good job. So thanks for watching this review. I hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Are you tired after helping me with the review? Oh my goodness, she's just so tired.